Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we showcase a sleek and modern steel haven built using shipping containers in Michigan, United States. This jaw-dropping, one-of-a-kind piece of art is nestled among the trees. This container house is crafted out of three 40-foot shipping containers with cedar accents throughout the exterior. The design uses two 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side and sheared horizontally on the ground level. An additional 40-foot container is stacked in a cruciform to create the second story of the house. The entryway opens up into a large open-plan living space. The inner container walls were cut out to create an expansive open-plan living room. Inside, the home provides a modern and open concept vibe with a touch of tiny home living. The kitchen offers plenty of counter space, enough storage cabinets, and storage shelves. In addition, the kitchen also has an island for two and brand new appliances. From the kitchen is a spacious 6-person live edge dining table with sights of the patio and trees, ideal for enjoying meals and playing games. The good-sized windows not only offer better ventilation, but also increase the perceived indoor space because of container width. A nice place to unwind in the living room around an electric fireplace, especially during winter nights. Off the living area is a sliding barn door that opens into a modern bathroom that has sleek design features including a walk-in shower, contemporary tile finishes, a toilet, a vanity with storage, and adequate bathroom space. The first bedroom features a comfortable bed with Euro top mattresses, cozy Supima cotton linens, and ample storage under the bed for suitcases and bags. A narrow steel staircase takes you to the second level of the house. The second bathroom is equipped with spa-like fixtures, a fully tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity with storage cabinets, and a large mirror which amplifies the bathroom space. The second bedroom is not just cozy but also well lit with sizable glass windows with amazing views of the property. It is fitted with a king-sized bed, a sitting area, ample under the bed storage. The third bedroom comes with amazing views of nature, light blocking shades, and a comfortable bed overlooking the outdoors. The second and the third bedroom is fitted with a glass door that opens onto a deck with comfortable seats for lounging and a propane fire table. Throughout this exquisite home, attention to detail is obvious. The outside is perfect for entertainment and dining with a ground level patio equipped with outdoor chairs, a wood fire pit, a gas grill, and 6-person hot tub. A spiral steel staircase leads you to the spacious rooftop deck on the second story with outdoor furniture and a propane fire. This amazing home is also available as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning to build one, you are encouraged to visit our website sheltermode.com where you can explore and browse through hundreds of custom shipping container home designs, and feel free to get yourself one in case you are interested. Thank you for watching. Come again. Feel free to give this video a like or a thumbs up, and you are free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.